Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the 6 petal crochet flower. In this flower I am using 2 color of worsted weight yarn and 1 crochet hook, size is 1.75 and 1 craft scissor. Let us start. Make 1 slip knot, and then make 3 more chains, 3 and total 4 chain in my hook, and then I am going to the 4th chain from my hook and make 1 double crochet and then make 2 chain and make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. And then 2 chain, make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. You repeat the same pattern 6 times. Two double crochet and then last one 2 chain and join it the beginning chain with slip stitch, and this is the center of the flower, and cut your extra yarn. This is the center portion of the flower, and then I am joining the another color yarn for petals. You join it in the space between the 4 DC stitch. This is the 2 DC and here 2 DC, and in the center here I have made 2 chain. This is the loop portion or space part of the center. Here you attach your yarn with. Here I am joining it with slip stitch and make 2 more chains, count as a first DC stitch, and make 1 more double crochet or DC in the same loop, same space, and make 2 chain and make 2 more double crochet in the same space. Then you skip the next 2 stitches, go to the next space and make 2 DC, 2 chain, 2 DC. You repeat it in this round. Join it with slip stitch in the beginning stitch, and for third round you go to the space between 4 DC stitch and make one single crochet and make 1 2 chain, total 3 chain in my hook. Count as a first DC and make 7 more DC in the same space. Total 8 DC in the same space, and then you skip the next stitch and go to the next. Here you join it with slip stitch, and then you go to the next space. You skip the next 2 stitches and go to the space and make 8 DC, and you repeat the same pattern in this round. You repeat it in this round. This is the last 8 double crochet stitch, and here you join it with slip stitch or single crochet and cut your extra yarn, and your flower is ready. And this is very simple and unique flower. You can try it. Thanks for watching.